Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Monica, and guys, in our today's video, let me change this. Yeah, there. We'll be having a look at one of the platform, an online earning platform. The platform is known as Toloka Yandex, and in this video, we have a look at a number of things like what task task are you expected to tackle. We have the requirement. We are going to check on the reviews too. I have worked in this platform before. I will also be giving my personal reviews on the same platform, and eventually we can have a look on how to go on with the registration process. So first things first. So as you can see, they say that Toloka earn money by completing simple tasks online. Yeah, sure. These are simple tasks that you are expected to complete online. You can use Toloka to earn money on the internet by performing simple tasks that your computer can cope with. And by the way, guys, on this platform, you can also use your phone, whether you have your tab, you have your laptop, and or your phone, all can work all the same, because actually for me I was using my phone to work on this platform. Then let's have a look at what kind of tasks are they available on this platform. They say, for example, they have side by side comparisons of pictures or website, search results, or users interface. This is where you check on the similarities or differences of a particular image. You are given an image, and then you have to look, maybe two images or so. Then you have to look at their similarities or their differences. The other task that you can be given is evaluation of a web page, an image, or a video related to the search query. Actually, these tasks are very, very easy, trust you me. Then we have field surveys. Here you check in person whether or not a particular organization is closed or has changed its office hours. And probably this one might require for you to undertake this kind of a field survey. Most probably you are required to be in that particular area. So for example, if you're based in the US, you are not expected to handle a task which is based in the Philippines. So most probably you do a task which is based around, or you pick a task where you are based, because you're expected to go physically and confirm the existence of that particular office or organization. Then there is also search for information online. Then this is where you are expected to find the official website of an organization, add missing details to a product page, or collect pictures of a particular topic. And by the way, guys, on Toroka Yadex, I believe you can work from any country wherever you are, and you can earn something from that. Let's not first go to the sign up process. Let's go. After earning your money, how are you expected, or how are you going to withdraw your cash? So you can withdraw your money via PayPal, Skrill, I don't know how to call these on something money. Then we have Papara and Pioneer. For me, I used to withdraw my money via PayPal, and the reason as to why I say I used to this platform I got referred to by a friend, and when I worked I was quite busy, so the only time I got time to work on this was when I was leaving my work, when I'm in the bus going back home, or in the morning going to work. So I had very limited time to work on the same. So that's why I didn't invest a lot of time in here. So of late I haven't worked with the platform. I think we'll go on the registration process, but before we go there, maybe we can just have a look on the general overview, like how is the registration process. Like they say, take a 5 minute sign up for the Toloka. Yeah, it's free and it's very simple to do to register. Then pick a task to do on your computer, all in the mobile app. Read the instruction, complete the assignment, and money on your Toroka account. Yeah, this is so true. But on this number two, where they say pick a task to do on your computer or in your mobile app, you are expected to undertake a kind of training, because for the very, very first time, once you take a task, you kind of get trained on those particular skills, and once you get trained on that, then you become like an expert in that particular area. It's not difficult, it's something which you can learn. So there you are, and you have seen how it is, and we have said you can work from your computer or using your phone or your tablet. Then let's have a look at Trustpilot, and let's see what are they saying about this platform. And we see here this is on May 9, 2022. Someone says, for a long time, I did not receive my money. I no longer trust the site until I get. Whoa, you got it. Then another one here, they say this was on 7th April 2022. They say, stupid, give me my money. Impossible to get my money from this app. Yeah, there you go. Then another they say is great and legit website, but the task price is low. The price are low. Yeah, I agree. By the way, the pay might be low, yes, but this is what I would say. It depends with where you live and what you are doing, because probably somebody is seated somewhere and they do not have anything to do. You can get busy with this and get a coin, because after all, the tasks are very easy. It's nothing complicated, you know. Yeah. So that one I do agree on the payment. It's low, but of course the tasks were they are not complicated. There are some easy tasks there. I used to earn a coins just by sitting in the car as I go home. Then they say here one of the best online earning website. Oh, this was on February 2022. Then another one says, yeah, this was on Feb 2022. They say it's an okay site, legitimate. Payment per task is quite low, no doubt. Perhaps the contract they get comes from law as well, hence the aforementioned low pay statement. Toloka Yandex.com. If you can get to see this review, please step up your request price per contact so to compensate micro workers on your platform. Thank you. Payment is 48 hours maximum after withdrawal. This should be worked onto. You can earn up to $100, and let's say 2 months. Yeah, so he or she gives the platform a 4 star. Somebody else on February 2022 have said, I had done some task over a month ago and submitted the request on 5th January for my PayPal account with account $1.73, but don't get the money after the month. Bad experience. Just another scammer. Well, I don't know why this is so. Personally, I have the experience. I don't know. And it depends with how someone views the scammer to be. Another one is like legit apps paying in around 1 or 2 days, but the payment is low. This is a good app. I appreciate. So, guys, it's up to you to decide. I'm trying to read all these reviews so that you can decide whether it's a good platform for you or not. Another one here says that this app is absolutely awesome and 100% legit. I have received money from this, and it will be very useful to me. Make extra expense. And finally, I really wanted to tell is after using a lot of scam apps, this app gave me some hope. Thank you. Nice one. Another one. I love the platform, and I just initiated my first withdrawal. Nice. Another one here, the payment for each task is a misery. Some requesters reject the task with the excuse that you did not pass the exam when you did. Also, in some tasks, even if you answer that the site does not open, they consider the answer wrong. So it is too much time to work almost for free. There are sites that pay much better for the less time. You got that too. Another one here says that they pay really fast, making just as little as $5 is a game of 4 to 5 hours. The reason is that there is no framework to grade your performance, so you cannot guess whether you are doing well or not. So do not waste your time here unless you have the whole day to figure out what task instruction meant to say. Oh, yeah. So there it is. I think we have got a lot of reviews. Probably I shouldn't continue reading any further. You can have a check at this and see what they say about the platform. And probably also we can go to Quora.com and see what they are saying about Toloka Yandex. How much did you earn using Yandex Toloka? On this platform, you may encounter so-called good or bad tasks. In other words, you can spend no more than 20 minutes on some task and earn $0.2 to $1. But there are also orders that can take more than 1 hour to complete and you earn $0.01 to $0.03. Toroka, okay. Forget about that one. Let's see. That's a different one about on earning money online. So guys, you can have a look and see what are people talking about this platform. Maybe guys, we can try to register on this platform. And I hope I do not use my former email because once I use it, it's going to because I've already registered. So let me get an email and then we can get to register. Let me get an email and then we can get a different email so that we can get to register. But yeah, before then, let's see how it goes. So this is the platform we want to register. And where do we get? Maybe we can go to sign in. I think so, yeah. So they say, I want to start earning money. Earn money whenever and wherever you want. Complete simple task and get paid. So let's start earning and see how it goes. So you can see we've got the option of you can log in with mail or phone number. I already have an account on this platform and therefore I don't know, should I continue with this or let me continue with my own account and then I'm going to give you a review and maybe next time I can try, by the way, to create a brand new account with a new email because it seems I'm already registered, so it's bringing in some trouble. And then I'm going to help you on the overall process. So guys, as you can see, this is my account. This is my account. It's been long since I did login in here. And so you can see we have the different kind of task. They have said we have different kind from where? I think I've already cancelled the page. So this is my account. And you can see how they say classification of images. You need to label all the categories that the image contains. And this is how much they are going to pay per task. And the maximum is $1.19. So then they say take a selfie in the car with or without a seat belt, and they are going to pay you that. Then you see, like here, whatever we have here, it seems like I'm already trained on this particular area. But when you come down here, you see is the car parking entrance in the image. What are they saying here? They say if you successfully pass the exam after training, you can start performing paid task. And this is whereby I said like you do not just start earning automatically, you need to undergo the training. But the training is not complicated, to be honest, because actually you can sit down for about 20-30 minutes depending with the task, and you eventually find yourself that you are already, you are fully trained, and now you start earning these coins, the money coins, yeah. So this one I need to be trained. Take a selfie with a medical mask, then they pay for that, just for a selfie. Checking photos of non-found organization, English comprehension test, they need me to take a test. I'm not yet trained in this. So this one has an exam, this has a training. You're going to train and then you can get paid. So these are for the task. Then I haven't been active, by the way. Then we can try. It's strange for me because I have not been using the laptop to earn from this platform. I've been using my phone, so it's a bit strange and new to me. I haven't logged in for quite some bonus for friends. Okay, I don't know. By the way, guys, if you didn't know, by the way, from this platform, you are also able to earn from. If you refer friends, you can also be able to earn. If I leave my link from, if for example, I will leave, by the way, I'll leave a link from my platform on Toloka. So if you want to earn from this platform, once I give you the link, I'm going to earn. And the same way, once you share it with your friends, your link, you share it with your friend, you're also going to earn some bonus from this. So that's how it goes. Then I'm trying to get. So guys, this is what I was trying to say. I didn't earn a lot because I just worked for a day, and then I think for a day or 2 days as I was going home. And then from this, you can see, guys, I was able to earn $3, and I successfully did withdraw. You can see my balance here is 0.67. And yeah, there it is. I didn't do a lot of tasks that simple, but I already got my $3. So if you have the time, you can invest it and then you can earn something from this. And here's the referral program. Yeah, so that is it, guys. Let me take you through the registration process in the next video. Let me get an email, and then so that I can be able to help you register. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope that you did enjoy every bit. If you have any question or any reviews that you want to give on this platform, please guys, let me know in the comment section. Bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and share the video. Bye.